everyone, I am Shanandre A. Buenaventura. Today we will move forward to the Module 6, which is the Islamic world. Let me introduce all of you the Arabic scholar that been credited for their works during the Islamic world. For the first one, Razes, Muslim physician and medical philosopher. Liber Continents, Kitab al-Hawi, knowledge from previous authors, experience, and his personal cases study on the treatment and disease. Liber ad al-Mansuris, Kitab al-Mansuri, discusses the aspect of diet, hygiene, anatomy, physiology, general pathology, and therapeutics or healing. Treatise on smallpox and measles, Kitab Pai al-Jadari wa al-Hasba, mainly focuses on the difference of smallpoxes and measles. And for the next one, Ali Abbas. He is also known as Albas, Al-Mahusi, or Ali Abbas. A physiology and physician from the Islamic Golden Age, the complete art of medicine. Kitab Kamil As-Sina at Tabiya, dietetic conception of capillary system, interesting observation and motions of womb during birth. And for the next one is Al-Bukasis. He is also known as Al-Zahrawi, a father of modern surgery and pioneer of plastic surgery, the method of the medicine. Kitab al-Tasrif, and 30-volume medical encyclopedia, and book 30 illustrate 200 various surgical instrument for restoration, general surgery, and orthopedics, and recipes and preparation of drugs. And the last one is discussion on several aspects of the medicine and dentistry. The next doctor is Avicenna, Hakim ibn Sina, and father of the modern medicine, prince of physician, the book of healing, Kitab al-Shifa, and cure the ignorance of the soul. Concern are logical, geometry, physiology, astronomy, math, music, and metaphysics. The canon of medicine and ancient Afro-Americans, Greek, Egyptian, Persian, Hindu, Tibetan, and Chinese technique. And for the next part, advance of pharmacology. Miswak is a teeth cleaning twig which from Salvadora persica tree, and antibacterial capability, control the formation of dental plaque, and part of the Islamic religion belief preceded by the religious practice. Entering one house, a journey and everyday life process. According to Islamic doctrine, Prophet Muhammad was a prophet sent to spread religious technique and practices. That's all. Thank you for watching.